Hi, I'm Amber Bonnell, and I'm a fixed asset coordinator at the Kellogg Company.
Hi, I'm Lana and I'm the fixed asset accountant at the Kellogg Company.
I'm responsible for 11 plants that are in K&A around the United States. So I'm responsible for fixed asset management for those plants, as well as being a fixed asset disposal administrator for our FAD system.
And I'm responsible for 11 plants as well, although mine include both the United States and Canada, as well as being responsible for administration of the fixed asset disposal system. The main challenge for us was that we were receiving documents in Excel, and we were spending an extremely large amount of time retyping, which led to not just time for retyping, but also a lot of errors. The goals that we had for bringing Winshuttle in were largely both automation and time savings, and we also were thinking in terms of, again, because our stuff came to us already in a spreadsheet, reducing the incidence of retyping, rekeying, and having rekeying errors.
From an efficiency standpoint, with having so many plants that we deal with on a daily basis, that it definitely keeps all the plants efficient and maintains our accuracy of our assets that we're maintaining.
We used it and are actually still using it to create the data loads. That allows the fixed asset people to be able to handle the data loads without having to interfere with IT's regular activities. We're able to use them for a knowledge base, but then we're actually able to do the loads ourselves. It also means that we have the consistent records because our scripts are all the same and our templates are all the same, so we have consistent records. If you look at one worksheet or you look at one disposal form versus another, all the data is the same in all the same places, making it better for our audit teams to come in behind us and review our processes.
There's times where we have to transfer 1,000 assets to different areas, so just being able to use Winshuttle has definitely helped it make it where we can spend 2 hours transferring those assets as opposed to 2 weeks if we were to do it manually.
I also think centralization is a big issue. We were then able to bring a lot of those activities that were being done by people in the plant, we were able to bring those up to a more central location, making the process more streamlined for us and freeing up their time so that they were then able to focus on the things that they really need to be focusing on inside the facilities.
I think another thing is too, it's just so easy for them to use. It doesn't require a huge lot of training for them. Basically, if they need help with filling out the template, they call us and it takes us 5 minutes to walk it through them, and that's it.
And as I said, with the templates, the way we wrote them, each column from one spreadsheet to another, other than things that are exclusive to that transaction, each column that's the same from transaction to transaction is in exactly the same spot on every single template. So once you know how to fill out one template, you basically know how to fill out all of them.
I definitely would recommend Winshuttle.
Absolutely.
It's definitely been a great tool that I think has been very useful for our company.
It's been a great time saver for us, as well as a great method or tool for improving our accuracy.